We've all heard about powder coating on alternative substrates, but seriously, can you really? Today's guest certainly thinks so, but this is no sales pitch. We drill down what it takes to launch a new innovation and scale the $150 billion paint coatings market. The fact is, it's been a closely guarded secret until now. We're uncovering the facts about how it took a partnership across three industries to bring this product to market. Could it be the beginnings of a whole new industry? Get ready to level up your powder coater game.